Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Higher Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss next PYQ of group theory which is asked in IIT JAM 2023. So our question is, let G be the finite group, then G is necessarily a cyclic group if the order of G is, and these order are the options 6, 4, 1, 10 and 7. So we know that if a group is finite, so we will discuss by option. First option is 6. If order of a G is 6, then it is of type P into Q. We know that if a group is of type P into Q and P is less than Q and Q divides P divides Q minus 1, then group is abelian, non-abelian. So here the order is 2 into 3, that is 2 divides 3 minus 1. So group is non-abelian, so this option is wrong. इसके लिए काउंटर एग्जाम्पल हम क्या ले सकते हैं, S3. S3 is a non-abelian group. Likewise option number 4, option number second, K4. K4 is an example which is a group which is abelian but not cyclic. So this option is also discarded. Now option third is also of type P into Q, where P divides Q minus 1. And this example is D5, which is non-abelian group. So it is also not cyclic. Now option number D, we know that every group of prime order are cyclic. So this is 7, which is prime, so this is group is cyclic, and we get our required answer. So this is all the solution. If you like this solution, then you can comment here, and for more such video you can like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.